I built my throne from fragile stone, believing I could stand alone. I wore my name like sharpened crown, till silent truth came crashing down. The mirror showed what eyes denied, a heart enclosed by walls of pride. I felt the weight I could not hide, and heard your whisper deep inside. Tear down the wall of pride in me, let humility rise and set me free. Bend my will till I finally see all I am flows back to thee. King Yahawa, shape my heart again, strip my strength, you let me stand. Alahaya, breathe life within, a humble spirit in your hand. I chased applause and fleeting fire, fed my name with vain desire. Every step I claimed as mine, yet lost the path, ignored the sign. In crowded rooms I stood so tall, but had no truth, no honest call, until I knelt and let it fall. The crown of dust, the painted wall. Tear down the wall of pride in me, let humility rise and set me free. But I will till I finally see all I am flows back to thee. King Yahawa, shake my heart again, strip my strength, you let me stand. Alahaya, breathe life within, the humble spirit in your hand. I learned that power bows in truth, not in the pride I held in youth. The higher road is paved with knees, and victory learns to disagree. When I release my guarded name, I find your peace remains the same. No bottle light, no fleeting flame, just steady love that humbles me. Tear down the wall of pride is me, let humility rise and set me free. Bend my will till I finally see all I am flows back to thee. King Yahawa, shape my heart again, strip my strength, you let me stand. Alahaya, breathe life within, a humble spirit in your hands. Now I walk slow, no throne to claim, no need to guard a hollow name. In lowered eyes I stand made whole, aligned and choose, refined and roll. If I must fall to rise in you, then let me fall till pride is through. For in surrender I am true, a heart made clean, a sight made new. Tear down the wall of pride in me, let humility rise and set me free. Bend my will till I finally see all I am flows back to thee. King Yahawa, shape my heart again, strip my strength, you let me stand. Alahaya, breathe life within, a humble spirit in your hands. Let me decrease, let you increase, let all my striving finally cease. If breaking me is how I'm healed, then every wall to you I yield. I don't need height, I don't need might, I only need your righteous light. Write your ways upon my frame till pride dissolves and I remain. Humbled heart, lifted eyes. in your hand.